Welcome to DRB Patheon training. In this training, we're going to take a look at the manual customer search feature that is now part of your Patheon EWA or Essential Web Application. Let's get started. There's a new feature under Customization, E-commerce, and it is called Enable Advanced Customer Search. When you enable the Advanced Customer Search and click Save, whenever you have a brand new phone number that the system has not seen log into the EWA before, it will actually allow you to search for your plan. Let's see how that works. If a customer has purchased a plan at your wash, but for some reason we don't have the right phone number, or your site has recently converted to Patheon and you didn't store the phone number in the previous system, your consumers can now search for their account the first time they set up their EWA account. They can click that they're already a member and it'll bring them to the screen where they log in with their phone number. I'm going to go ahead and type in my personal phone number here, and I'll blank it out so that you won't see that. And I'll go ahead and type in a code so that I can log in. This will automatically create a new account if it detects that an account doesn't exist. This will allow me to look up an existing membership. The two pieces of key information are the last four digits of the card number and the license plate on one of the vehicles on your plan. Here I know that 0329 is the last four digits of my card, and I know that one of the plates on my plan is this plate as a United States Ohio plate. So I'll fill in Ohio. You'll notice that all of these fields are required. However, it's only doing the unique search based off of card number and plate. And what I can do here for first name and last name is update my first and last name to my actual name. So I'll put Bob Severance, and I will click Send to perform the lookup. You'll notice that the Send button does not become active until you have all the fields filled out. If the system cannot find an active plan membership, it'll automatically create your record, and when you click Manage, there will be no plans available to you. We're presented with the lookup membership. We'll type a different credit card. We'll type our name. We'll select the country and the state of our vehicle. And we'll put in our plate. And we'll do the lookup with the blue Send button. When it properly finds and links a plan, you're brought immediately to the Manage page. Here I have an Unlimited Better plan, and it has updated my record with my current name. I can also update my email. Save that information. And I now can manage a plan that I found and tied just by knowing the last four of the credit card and my vehicle's license plate. The system also will add your new number as the new primary number on the plan. Just like we have the lookup for the license plate, we also have a lookup by FastPass tag, and you'll notice there's less information since we don't need a country or a state. So you can type in credit card number, and you can type in the FastPass. Here I'm going to type in test user to just show you that it will update your first and last name, even if it finds a different plan with the same FastPass, and credit card number, it will update the first and last name based off of what you put in here, which typically the customer is going to be putting in their correct name. And we now have found our Unlimited Better plan. You'll notice that when we click Profile, it's the same record, but we've updated the username. And that's the new feature of the manual customer search in Patheon. If you have any questions, please send them to training@drb.com.